Hello everybody, welcome back to another half of the week of what sold.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alrighty, so today is Wednesday, March 3rd, and we are going to get into what sold this week. First things first, we got to get rid of some of the bulk on this desk, and yeah, you guessed it, we sold more. This must mean I'm the cheapest one on eBay at the moment, because it seems like every other day we are selling more ink tags. Another 200 piece ink tags. These sold for $22 plus shipping. I'm sorry, free shipping, $22, free shipping. Gonna move these out of the way. Be right back. Like a magician, just poof, and they're gone. All right, so let's get into some of the stuff that sold. We sold some interesting things. Starting off with this. This is a Indian motorcycle wrench. We don't know a lot about this. We got it at a flea market, I believe, over the summer. Couldn't really get a year on it. Looks pretty old. It's a 6-inch wrench, we know that, and it sold for $38.27. We took an offer, obviously, we're asking $40, and this guy really wanted this wrench, so he kept giving us other offers. $36.27, free shipping. Alright, next on the list are some jeans. These are Levi's men's 527. They are vintage or user distressed. These are size 36, 32. They're the boot cut. These sold for $14 plus shipping. If you'll notice, my bin is back. So, pretty happy about that. Next up, more jeans. Levi's 559, size 36, 32. These are, again, those blue jeans with kind of the yellowish thread in them. Very popular for us, especially, and with the 559, the relax fits are very popular as well. Sold for $15 plus shipping. Next on the list, more jeans. Levi's 514, size 36, 34. Your pretty basic blue jean here, nothing too special. They are kind of a darker blue. I bought these when I went out by myself thrifting. These sold for $17 plus shipping. Next on the list, we'll get them both out of the way again. Two more 1984 by George Orwell books. Both sold for $9.89, free shipping. So happy to have that bin back. Next on the list, we bought these at that last thrift store video that came on Saturday. I always tell you, blank media sells. Most tapes are going to sell. When you get into like discs, like the old 3.5 or 5 1/4 discs, those are a little wishy-washy. Blank CDs can be a little wishy-washy, but tapes, especially VHS tapes, sell really well. Two of these are VHS 30-minute superior high-quality, high-grade blank tapes. A lot of 4 of them, sold for $15 plus shipping. Next on the list is a book. We have several of these. We bought them all at the Goodwill bins. They were just kind of sitting there, so we thought we'd grab them. The Blue Willow by Doris Gates sold for $3.75 plus shipping. Last up, pair of jeans. Women's, believe it or not. Levi's 518 super low boot cut stretch jeans. These sold for $15 free shipping. The reason these are so cheap is there's actually a little stain on the back there. Well, some discoloration. It's really not a stain. So we kind of had to blow these out of here. After shipping, we're not going to make much money off of these. These are size 5 medium. Again, $15 free shipping. Yep. And I was wrong. That isn't the last. This is the last. How could I forget this gem? This is I guess we'll call this what do they call this? A poncho? Mexican surfer poncho. Everybody's seen these. These were real popular back in my high school days in the 90s. Size 42-44, large. It's a Milana. Yeah, Milana. This sold for $23 plus shipping. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, March 4th, and we've got some more sales to go over. First thing that we're going to go over is evident by what I'm sharing the frame with here, which is another giant box of ink tags. Yep, sold another 200 piece of these ink tags. We are about a quarter of the way through this inventory, selling them off 200 pieces at a time. So, this sold for $22, free shipping. I'm going to make this little guy disappear, and I'll be right back to you. Voila! Now that we have some more room to breathe here, we can go over the next item that's sold, and that is, we haven't actually sold one of these in a while. We're down to our last few, so there's not many more of them left. This is a holster for a pistol. We got these at an estate sale, geez, back in October. Paid $50 for the box. We are way in the pure profit on this already, so I think we were in the pure profit probably about 2 weeks after we bought it. And we've been selling them pretty steadily. We sold through kind of all the name brand pistols, so this is a Caltech, not exactly your upper end firearm, but it is still a relatively popular one. This is for a Caltech firearm, and this is the Maryland. They are holsters for ladies that hang on the bra. This sold for $12, free shipping. Next up is a vintage C-clamp. Yep, that's what it is. It's a little miniature iron C-clamp. This thing is heavy. Not probably, I don't know if this is going to go first class or not. It might. This is a 3-inch vintage C-clamp. This sold for $7.50 plus shipping. I'm going to set that here because if I put that in the bin, I'm never getting it back out of there. It's next on the list. We used to sell a lot of Vera Bradley stuff. We haven't. I think the market has kind of run its course on Vera Bradley. This is a Vera Bradley book color, blue flowers, book cover. I guess you put your book in there and then you got a cover for it. This makes me think of high school when they made us wrap our textbooks in like paper bags and stuff like that. This would have been a lot easier, I can tell you that much right now. So you just stick the covers in there and then go from there. That would have been a lot easier than all the tape and everything we had to use. But enough complaining. This sold for $10, free shipping. Next on the list, wouldn't be a Pittsburgh Picker What Sold video if these didn't make an appearance. Some Levi's 559 Relax Fit jeans, size 36-30. Men's jeans sold for $13.50 plus shipping. Got some more pants that's sold. These are ladies' pants. They're Gap, brand new girlfriend chino pants. These are new with the tag. These sold for $18, free shipping. And another pair of jeans. Last one for the day. These are kind of some unique Guess jeans. You can see they say Guess right there, and they are distressed, we'll say. they are not user distressed. They are distressed by Guess. These sold for $20 plus shipping. And last on the list today is a vintage pin. This is a Reagan for President pin. There we go. Reagan for President pin. This sold for $3.50 plus shipping. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Happy Friday. Today is March 5th. And we've got some sales to go over, so we'll get right into that. First thing on the list is book, vintage 1962, High in the Thin Cold Air by Sir Edmund Hillary and Desmond. Yeah, we'll just say Sir Edmund Hillary so I don't jack up the other last name. This is just a vintage book we found at the bins, probably paid $0.25 for it. Not a lot of money here, $1.50 plus shipping. Next on the list, jeans. Levi's jeans. Levi's 505, size 36-30. These are in really good shape. They look like they've never been worn, but really dark wash, some cool yellow threading too. Really cool pair of jeans. Levi's 505s. Men's 36-30 sold for $13.50. We took an offer on these after some serious back and forth. Got to $13.50 plus shipping. You guys ever do that? You get in that back and forth with offers, and it just isn't getting any better. Well, that guy started off at $5, and needless to say, kind of went back and forth from there. But yeah, you start off that low. We were asking $15 for him, and you start off that low. That's next to insulting as far as I'm concerned, and it's very hard for me to take you seriously going forward. And maybe it's just me, I don't know. Do you guys find that to be the case when you get a really low ball offer? Do you entertain them from there, or do you just say, no, I'm not dealing with you? I kind of hover between the two. Sometimes I'm just like, no, I don't want to talk about it, but this guy was really persistent, so got it up to $13.50. I can live with that. So just was a very weird back and forth there. Next on the list, now that I'm done with my complaining for the day, is a book. This is In Cold Blood by Truman Capote. This sold for $5.80 plus shipping. Got this at the bins too. So paid a quarter for it, turned it into $5.80 plus shipping. That's not bad for a paperback. Next on the list is a record. This was a good one for us, actually. Not crazy money, but as far as records go, this is the Alan Parsons Project. Every time I hear that band name, all I can think of is Austin Powers whenever he's like, the Alan Parsons Project. It's my best Dr. Evil impersonation there. It's bad, I know. This is the Alan Parsons Project, The Turn of a Friendly Card LP. This sold for $10.50 plus shipping. If you guys are out looking for records and you see these ones with the cellophane on them, and they have these price tags, or they have like the hype stickers on them, people pay better money for records like that than they do ones that don't have this on it. So this was pretty good for $10.50. I think we paid $1 for it. So yeah, keep an eye out for those. Even if it's maybe bands that aren't super duper famous. The Alan Parsons Project obviously was a good band, but they're not up there with like the Rolling Stones and the Beatles. But yeah, $10.50 plus shipping. Next up is another book. We sold some books overnight last night. This is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, obviously by Mark Twain. This is the Junior Library Illustrated Junior Library series from 1986. This sold for $4.14 plus shipping. Next on the list is some jeans. These are a little different. These are Wranglers. I know we don't sell a lot of Wranglers. These are unique though. They're brand new. We found these hanging out at Walmart on their clearance racks, and these were $3. So obviously didn't film. We were there to get some groceries, saw all these clothes and stuff in the back. If you guys aren't, at least taking a look inside Walmart's, sometimes their clearance sections are great. These we bought for $3, sold them for $20, free shipping. Another record. This one isn't as good as the last one. This is Neil Sedaka. Sedaka's back. He didn't know he left. The Rockets record, the original pressing of this record, sold for $2.50 plus shipping. It's from 1974, by the way. I guess he took a break and then came back in the 70s. I don't know. And last but not least, the pair of jeans. These are a very unique pair of jeans. If you guys are out and you see these, grab them. They're worth the money. We were asking $40 for them. These are silver tab Levi's. You'll know by the silver tab, and these were really popular in the 90s. In fact, these are from the 90s. They were really baggy, kind of grunge style jeans, and I had a pair of them. For those of you that grew up in our 90s kids, I'm sure you had a pair or knew somebody who did. They were very popular back then. I used to love them. We bought a newer set of Levi's silver tabs recently, and they were actually my size, and I tried them on, and I felt like a fool because they were huge. And I thought, man, did I really walk around like this? Not a good look. So anyways, yeah, Levi's silver tabs. These are made in the USA, sold for $32.50 plus shipping. We were asking $40, took an offer, $32.50 plus shipping. I think we paid $6 for this. So that was a pretty good turnaround. And that's it for this week, guys. Pick up starting filming again tomorrow. So starting a new week. I might divide it up a little bit differently. It seems like that first video is getting very, very long. And I know, you guys are great and you guys, tend to watch all my videos, but I know it's asking a lot sometimes for you to watch a 25-minute What's Sold video. So next week I may break it up a little bit. I may publish a What's Sold video midweek. I may just do the weekend and then do, the first part of the week and then the second part of the week. That way we'll have 3 What's Sold videos. I haven't decided yet, though. But if you do see a What's Sold video drop on Wednesday, that's what's happening. We're just going to take the weekend all by itself. Sometimes the weekends we get really busy, so we have, 30 or 40 products to go through with you guys, and it can make for a very long video. So I may just start breaking them up based on business. So just know that going forward, if you do see What's Sold video pop out on Wednesday, that's what's happening. I'm going to just start splitting them up a little differently. That's about it. Now that we got the business at hand out of the way, thank you guys so much. And, we'll just keep on trucking, start filming again tomorrow. We got estate sales coming up. We got bins footage coming up. We got some thrift store footage coming up. So this next week is probably going to be a pretty good week for us. And hopefully it's a pretty good week for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. The usual routine. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button underneath me. And if you haven't already, and I know there's some of you still out there, subscribe to the channel. Yesterday's video, there is a 500 subscriber giveaway going on. So if you haven't watched that yet already, jump back to the video before this. Take a look at that 500 subscriber giveaway. We will be drawing for that next Thursday, March 11th. So there's still some time if you want to get in on that. That's about it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!